This is how to replace the door on a 013 oven. You'd open up the door here, and we've got a hinge here and a hinge here. Each one of these hinges is a little protector right here, a little locking device. You roll that back. Sometimes those don't just roll back so easy. Sometimes you have to get a little flathead screwdriver, just kind of push that up. Once this is up, then you'll just lift the door to where it catches. And then from here, kind of just lift the door and it will work its way out and come apart. Then when you go to put it back in, the door that was sent to you, you have those hinges in that same position. You'll slide it into those slots, kind of lift up, and when you put it down, you'll see on this side it's in the groove over here. This side it's not in the groove. Sometimes you just kind of have to work that. Just be patient. It'll settle down in there. But once it sits in the groove within that bottom piece of the hinge, then you'll be able to put these protector locks back down. Oh, see, this one isn't done, so it's not sitting in there correctly. That's okay. Just make an adjustment. It's a good video to show because it shows you that even though I've done this hundreds of times, it can still settle in there. There we go. Just had to kind of walk it back down, and then it slides on. Then the door seals. And to do a test on the gasket there, just to make sure you have the door sealed correctly, you just grab a piece of paper, open up the door, close it, pull it. There should be some resistance as you pull that up. It should not just come right out like with no resistance. Should be a little resistance, but still be able to pull it out. You're good to go. Hope this helps.